Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Circle to your debit card. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening the Circle app on your device. Log into your account using your email and password. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Wallet section in the main menu. Look for the Add Payment Method button and tap on it. Select Debit Card from the list of available options. You will now see a form asking for your card details. Enter your debit card number without any spaces. Next, input the expiration date of your card. Then, enter the CVV code located on the back of your card. Make sure to provide the billing address associated with the debit card. After entering all the details, double-check for accuracy. If everything looks correct, tap on the Save or Continue button. Wait for a confirmation message indicating that your debit card has been linked successfully. For security purposes, you may need to verify your identity through two-factor authentication. Follow any on-screen prompts to complete the verification process. Once completed, you will receive a notification that your debit card is now connected. Now you can use your debit card for transactions within the Circle app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.